A very good morning to my dear students. This is Kajal, your teacher of English. Today we are going to discuss the very interesting chapter, that is The Adventures of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. I hope you would love this chapter because it's very interesting. Yes, my dear students, let's learn about the author Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is one of the India's most loved children's writer. In a writing career spanning over 6 decades, he has written over 500 short stories, novels, including the much acclaimed Room on the Roof and The Vagrants in the Valley. His stories, The Blue Umbrella, A Flight of Pigeons, and Susanna's Seven Husbands, have also been adapted into successful Bollywood films. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1993, the Padma Shri in 1999, and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Yes, my dear students, now we are going to study the text of the chapter The Adventures of Toto. Before beginning with the chapter, I would like to ask you one question. Students, have you ever seen anyone keeping a monkey as their pet? If you ask me, I would say no. I have not seen anyone keeping a monkey as a pet. Because we know people usually keep dogs, cats, and birds as their pet. But the grandfather of the author is somewhat different because he has kept a monkey at his private zoo. So let's see how is their experience of keeping a pet monkey at their home. Let's see whether the monkey is mischievous or innocent. Here, the grandfather of the author is very fond of animals. He loves to keep animals at his home. His home is not just a home but a zoo because he has kept a number of animals at his home. The animals like donkey, tortoise, squirrel, a goat. Now he wants to add a little monkey to his private zoo. But the grandmother of the author doesn't like all this. She doesn't like to keep the animals at home. The grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for 5 rupees. Toto here is the name of the monkey. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Trough means a container. Feeding trough means a food container. The Tonga driver used to tie the monkey with a food container. The monkey looked so out of place there that the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. He thought that he would add that monkey to his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. His eyes sparkled with mischief. Sparkled means glittered. Mischief means naughtiness. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Here, the author has given every minute description of the monkey Toto. Firstly, he says, the monkey Toto is a very pretty monkey and his eyes are very bright, which are filled with mischief. Mischief means shararat. Then he gives description of the teeth of the monkey. He says, the teeth of the monkey are very bright. They are as bright as pearls. Then he says, the monkey scares and frightens the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Anglo-Indian people are the people who basically belong to the British community but they resided in India. We call them Anglo-Indian. The writer says the monkey scares and frightens the Anglo-Indian ladies. Then he gives description about the hands of the monkey. He says his hands are so dried up. It seems as if they have been kept in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers are very quick. Then he says his tail adds to his good looks. His tail also serves as a third hand. His tail helps him to do the things that his hands can't do.